Yo, Wagwan, man, you know it's your boy Click React, and you're tuning in today to see this episode of Idiots in Cars, man. I don't know what more I can say about this. I love watching these in a way. It's like it's informative, but it's also funny as hell. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that sub button, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know if anything like this has happened to you before, man. We're gonna get right into it as usual. See you guys later. Red light, somebody's running it. Boom! We love it.
Manual recording will now start.
Like, I just don't get it. How fucking stupid do you have to be? I'm trying to figure out why you would go right to turn left there. Why not turn left? That poor dog. Oh, somebody robbed him. He didn't even realize. No, he must have robbed him. I'm like definitely confused, and I know that dog is too. Though that's a big fear for me, man. When people think that you're going through a light, and you get hit. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. That's what happens when ego jumps in there. What's going on? My boy. My boy, that's not your turning lane. Oh, you idiot. Wow. Just wow. And I love these people that block.
Really?
That bitch said, really? Oh, okay. Fast and Furious. There's no space there. It's a little weird. A little weird that you did that. A little weird that he didn't stop. Oh shit. You really need a dash cam nowadays, man, because people are fucking stupid. That might be so scary. Like, bro, you don't see the car in front of you? You should have honked still. Ah, nah. It's that front wheel drive power. I don't think you should be driving. Like, damn, just pay the tow truck fee, man, because the amount of damage you're gonna do to your
And he
car.
says, I've never seen that before. He goes, wait a minute. He goes, it looks like the picture was distorted. It looks like they took the picture long ways, and then he goes, look at the plugs on the plugs down on the.
That's the left turn's fault, in my opinion, but straight on should have been able to see. Yo, what? Nigga, you wanted. You don't need more than a regular clean at that point. Don't tell me one of these cars crash. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. What happened there? Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Well, he has money. If he's driving that shit around, he has money. That shit took the fucking tire off. How fucking weak are these sports cars, man? Cause look at that hit. You're trying to go on the shoulder. Is this guy good? Is this guy well in the head? What was the medication that people are on? You can't stop taking it, man, when you get on it. And he's gonna keep going. Ah, brilliant. Brilliant. There's no way he got far with that. I said, I'm gonna get you. That is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Alright. That's very good. Very good. No, No stopping. That's what we love to see. Let me predict this one. Guy on the other side. Guy on the other side is gonna go straight through and get hit. Man, yo, honestly, people are so fucking dumb, bro. It's not. It's an orange light at that point. It starts slowing down. Yeah, that's good of them though to get off the road. That I'll give them props for. You guys fucked up, but you didn't hold up traffic, and that's a big thing.
It's legendary. Reebold spat in his face.
Bro, even if you're going back into that lane, you don't need to turn that aggressive. It's a lane switch at that point. No, you fucked up. Yeah, you fucked up still. That island is your best friend. Just you on that one. Is he in the right lane there? Oh, he is. He's in the right lane, but fuck, bro. Hey, niggas in company vehicles? Don't fuck with those niggas, bro. Like, I'm so confused, bro. I think it must have been having a bad day. Yep. Anytime I see a car stopped in the next lane, I slow down just in case somebody's coming through, even if there's nobody there. Because people think that because this lane is giving them way, they can take the next lane. That is not how it was. That Porsche just missed that shit. But it's good. It's better when people do stupid do not turn. Bro, I can't take these idiots. Is that legal? Yo, if the wind is crazy enough and that was a good enough sail, that shit would take off. Because there's some winds that will be lifting cars. Let's be real. You had so much space.
Oh my gosh, she kept going.
There's so much space. Why the fuck would you switch so close? Okay, bro. Oh, so you sent this video in. Oh, bro, look in front of you, this idiot. That's what paying attention means on the road. Man's looking at the car to his left, you idiot. Oh, hell no, you need a reverse camera, bro. And that person should have given him a little bit of time, man. Damn. Don't tell me you hit it again. Let's just want a rear end or a left turn. Yeah, and that concludes this episode, man. I'll see you guys later.